Let's see what's behind the villa today. So there's the cruise ship, which has been embarked since last night, and this morning we have already did our job. And I'm just returning from my work, and the amazing view. And this is Nha Trang Bay, located in the eastern part of Vietnam in the South China Sea, and on the coast of Nha Trang City with skyscrapers, a beautiful sunny day, and blue water, blue sky, cool breeze, and of course surrounded by mountains. This is my villa, and really amazing view. I never have dreamt of this kind of view, and really I'm experiencing it. So just look at each and everything here is so beautiful, and you just cannot experience by your own. Of course you cannot see what I'm showing you,